I'll go. That is an edge. Okay. Hello and welcome. This is the beginning of our adventures. Now, we can go anywhere in the whole world. And I'm here to tell you that today we are viewing the beautiful mountains and that down there, that river, that is where I belong. I am a water treatment plant operator for the Wilson Water Treatment Plant in Williamsburg, Maryland. And hello and welcome. Press 911 if you have an emergency.
This has been
the adventures of Barbara, Black Bear, and the Camera Woman Trophy. Peace.
boom, 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 boom. It's very peaceful.
Don't say shit to the camera.
I like this.